Good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss our unit 2 runoff under the topic of hydrograph. So how the hydrograph are play a vital role in the runoff calculation. So the things we are going to discuss now. The topic correlated with the course outcome of summarize the concept of well hydraulics. Then the course outcome 2 correlated with the program outcome 1, program outcome 7 and program specific outcome 1. So what is hydrograph? So hydrograph is a graph showing the rate of flow, discharge versus time past a specific point. So the flow with the time. So time based how the water or flow. The things we are going to draw through the graph that is called hydrograph. So the discharge cubic meter per second. See the time based. Okay, so the base flow level. So it is a same level, whereas it will be differ some time to some time. So rising limb, then crest, then falling limb. So the graph represented very clearly about the hydrograph. So why construct and analyze hydrographs? So to find out discharge patterns of a particular drainage basin to help predict flooding events. So see the graph based it will be move up and downs, and the time based the flow of water will be differ from some other places. So flood hydrograph. So the discharge meter cube per second, then hours from start of rain storm. So the rising limb and recession limb, then this is the peak flow. So peak flow represents like a crust, it will be having much of the flow. So basin lag this time, then this is the base flow. So we can find the direct runoff surface flow plus underlaid surface flow, whereas the base flow is nothing but groundwater flow plus delayed surface flow. So what is the main surface like a sources of direct flow? The runoff. Then what is the main source of base flow is a groundwater. So the component of stream flow, elements of hydrographs. So the violet color is represent like a components of a stream flow, and the red color represents element of hydrographs. So see now the hours from start of rainstorm. So 12 hours, 24 hours per day. Likewise, the discharge meter cube per second, 1, 2, 3, etc. So first of all, okay, so the rainfall show in as a bar graph. So based the rainfall will be increased or decreased. The things we are mentioned here. Then the flow will be like that. Okay, so it will be increased like a crest point, and then again it will be decreased. So discharge in meter cube per second as a line graph. So then rising limb. Okay, so the rising flood water in the river based. Then whereas it's a peak flow, then again it will be falling flood with in the river basin. So it will be fall down again. Graph will be down. So finally we can find the base lag time in a particular point to our baseline 0 to that time interval. How much 24 hours it will be na 1 day, or 24 it will be na maximum it will be reach more than 1 day. So likewise the basin lag time, the time difference between the peak of the rainstorm and the peak flow of river. So the direct flow is nothing but volume of water reaching the river from surface runoff source like a rainfall, then base flow the volume of water reaching the river from surface runoff source from the groundwater flow. So these are the reference material. Thank you.